Ashley. Yes, you guessed it. It is future Ashley. Ever since I posted up my last video, you guys have been loving the fact that I do shout outs. I've always done shout outs, but I guess you just never realized it. If you do want to be shouted out in my next video, all you have to do is comment down below that you want to be shouted out. You can simply ask me whatever you want to do. And you can also DM me on my social medias, which will be down below if you want to follow me on there, which is good because I do give clues to my videos on my social medias. So please follow me and add me. The first shout out goes to Emily Blogs and More. You commented on my last video that you wanted one. And yeah, so here's your shout out. The next one is Eve Long. Love your name. I think Eve is such a beautiful name. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. Then Maggie Alvarez. Yeah. Sorry, Maggie Alvarez. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry if I butchered your name just then. I try. Trust me, I do. Like, I try my hardest. But some names are just so hard to understand, okay? Leave me alone. The last one is Amsh133. Sorry again if I'm butchering your name or your, like, profile name, but yeah, thank you for watching my videos and taking the time to comment down below. But if you do comment something, please use the hashtag #followfeels. And yeah, so let's get on to the makeup tutorial. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's #fallfeel video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm not going to be putting on any foundation. My makeup looks really revolve around the eyes. I think eyes are so important because they can make or break your whole entire look. If you have a foundation routine, you know, primer, all that stuff, you can do that now. If you don't, just keep on watching. I'm gonna quickly form my eyebrows and I'll see you guys when I'm ready to do the eye look. I'm done with my brows. Let's start on the eyes. You can use whatever palette you want, but today I'm going to be using the 24G Grand Glam palette from Morphe. Isn't this just like the perfect palette for fall? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this like little blending brush right here, and I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to blend that into the crease. Now that that is completed, we're going to switch brushes and we are going to be using this like nice paddle brush thing. And I'm going to take this color right here, and then I'm just going to go on my outer corner right there and right there. And I'm going to kind of blend it up into the crease just to make that outer corner crease, you see right there, a little bit nice and smokier. So now that is done to both eyes, I'm going to switch brushes again to this brush right here, and I'm going to go into, again, the same palette. And I'm gonna go into this bronzy color, as you can see. I'm gonna put that on my lid, but still leaving that outer corner bit there. And I'm gonna take this, like, you see how like detailed and small that is? I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm gonna go in the inner corner with it and going like slightly here just to brighten it up. I think it makes this beautiful, like, what is that word? Ombre effect, which just adds so much to your look. Now, before we apply mascara, I'm going to go into my eyeliner. The one that I use and love is the ink liner, Kat Von D. Oh, it's like so good. It's like that nice black. Oh, yes. Okay, you guys, so now that we've line the bottom lash, I'm going to do just a slight wing on both sides. So as you can see, the little wings have been attached, and I think the little wings just help a lot. Nothing too dramatic with this look because fall I picture as very light and sweet, nothing too crazy. And I think that just little wing at the end adds just so much without doing too much. Now I'm just gonna be adding some mascara to my lashes. I'm gonna add a little bit of lip gloss. This is the Sorbet Pop number 3 from Clinique. Looks like this. It's like a very nude color. I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlight in my regular areas. now that all of that is done, I have completed the look. This is the full fall look. If you actually use this for something, please tell me. If you have any fall videos you would like to request, see from me, or anything like that, make sure to comment that down below. If you do a similar eye look to this or the exact same, make sure to take a picture of it, post it on Instagram, and tag me in the photo so I can see. That would be so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you to the moon and back. Bye. Put your hand